Which Lagos market comes to your mind when you see this bridge? Which one? Oshodi, right? Okay, guys, spend the day with me inside Oshodi market. Okay, this was me going to the BRT terminal to board the BRT bus going to Oshodi. Yes. Okay, when I got there, you see my eyes so swollen. It was very early as 6 a.m. Yes, and whenever I want to go to show the market, I try going very, very early, especially when I want to make use of the BRT. So this was me waiting for the BRT bus to get to my turn. These are the things we don't show you in this tailoring. Like, these are behind the scenes. We don't show you all these things. Forget the paparazzi, unless you've made it. But if you are still growing, my dear, you got to work. Okay, I finally got into the BRT bus and we are good to go. Yeah, I've gotten to the market, and the first place I went to is where I do get vintage fabric. Yes, where I do get vintage fabric. So this was me trying to check the ones I want to get for myself. You know, I make vintage shirts. Yes, I make vintage shirts, ready to wear vintage shirts, and I'm the one that source for my fabric, sew it myself. Okay, guys. So I was checking out for fabrics. From there, I went to where I bought Ankara fabric. Yes, I also make Ankara shorts, Ankara shirts, Ankara gowns. So I was looking for fine Ankara print. I have a plug, yes, but I said let me check other places also to see what they have, and this was me checking out the Ankara fabrics I needed. It's a little bit dark here because the shop is kind of inside, like inside. Okay, so guys, I got to check. So from here I went to where I do buy senator fabrics. That's the fabric we use for senator wears and all that. Yes, I also make men's wear, senators, men's two-piece, So I got to this place, see the fabric I was using now, see the sample I was using to look for what I wanted. It's not easy. Fabric sourcing is not easy. So if you have a tailor that help you to source for fabric and still make fine outfits for you, so was buy and chicken this Christmas. So yes, because it's not easy to source for fabric. Okay, I was doing one or two chats here with my customer. Now everything doesn't have to be all about KK Sekuzie. Seriousness. We buy small, we joke small, we laugh small, okay? To ease the stress, you understand? Yes. So after the whole joke and laugh, I bought what I wanted to buy, and I headed to another side. So I didn't buy much today. So I came back to this place. This is where I do keep my stuffs. So from here, from after buying every other thing, I came back to carry my load. You see that bag, this school bag I'm carrying? I don't joke with this school bag. I don't joke with this school bag. I don't joke with this school bag. So guys, that is where I put almost everything I buy in the market. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time, okay? It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. So guys, I'll see you guys next time. This is for those that always come and ask me, are you the one making the fabric, the outfits you sell? Yes, I am the one making all the outfits. I'm the one sourcing for fabric. I'm the one doing everything. So thank you guys so much for watching.